In the last lecture, we discussed about the concept of advanced JavaScript. In that advanced JavaScript, we have discussed about the concept of predefined functions. So, as far as the predefined functions are concerned, parse int, parse float, alert, prompt, confirm to lowercase to uppercase, and isNaN. Now, I will demonstrate these particular some of the I can say that concepts or predefined functions with the help of one program. Just observe this program. So I had created one program. So just I will show you that particular code to you. So here so don't think about this in detail. So I will explain these particular things in the next session. So first of all, here I had declared variables named as s, then l, ch, ich, us, and I can say that ls. So s for string, l for its length, ch for its character, ich for index of character, us for upper string, and ls for lower string. So meaning of the variables I had declared. So I had given the details about it. Now here I want to accept that string. Accept means what? During runtime you are supposed to enter the string. So that's why if you want to accept the string from user or any value from user, there is a function referred as a prompt. So what is the meaning of prompt? This function is used when you want to input value from user at the time of program execution. ज्यावेळी प्रोग्राम आपण रन करतो त्यावेळेला जर तुम्हाला व्हॅल्यू ॲक्सेप्ट करायचं असेल तर यू कॅन ॲक्सेप्ट दॅट व्हॅल्यू बाय युजिंग प्रॉम्प्ट. सो व्हॉट इज द सिंटॅक्स ऑफ दॅट? सी दिस व्हेरिएबल नेम, then prompt, variable name equal to sign prompt, in open bracket you can pass the message. Now in the program I had decided that I want to accept a string. That's why s variable I declared s is equal to prompt, and the message is enter the string. This message is associated with the operation that you want to carry out. Okay, so s is equal to prompt, enter the string. So this function will accept a string and the value will be assigned to the variable s. Now how to calculate the length of that particular string? How to calculate length? So l is the variable, l is equal to s dot. S is nothing but the string accepted strings value, that is s. So s dot length म्हणजेच काय? So basically length defines, I can say that length is used to accept total number of characters or displays the total number of character in a given string. So जर समजा string welcome असेल, welcome, so its length should be काय असणार आहे? 7, because in the welcome word there are 7 characters. So the length of that string should be 7 and the value of l will written as a 7. Okay, now ch, so character. Now the function referred as character at. So what is the meaning of character at? So this function is used to, I can say that, get the character of the specified position. Now here the thing is that before going to start this particular character at and last index of in detail, I want to discuss some points. That is, suppose the accepted string is welcome. Now the s value is welcome. Now its length is 7. Now what is the meaning of, I can say that, index? So here in this particular string, if I am not wrong, w is a character, e is also one character, l is also one character, c is also one character, o, m and e, these are characters, and the characters has its own index. So own index means what? So I can say the index is nothing but position. What is that? Position of a character in a given string. Now what is the position of this w in this particular welcome string? So w is a character, its index should be 0. Now what is meaning of 0? So keep in mind, whatever value is there of s, म्हणजे कोणतीही स्ट्रिंग असो, स्ट्रिंग मधलं जे पहिलं कॅरेक्टर असतं, फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर, त्याचा इंडेक्स काय असतो? नेहमी काय असतो? 0 असतो. What is it? 0. Now here w is the first character. So if I will erase this w, the first letter is first character is e. So e's index should be 0. So here the first character is character's index is 0. Then e character, the second character, its index is 1, and so on. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many characters are there? 7 characters. So if index starts with 0, then definitely the index of last character is nothing but its length minus 1. So what is that? Length is 7, minus 1 म्हणजेच काय? 6. So because of that, the index of last character is length minus 1 and the index of first character is 0. Don't forget this. Once again I want to repeat, index of first character is 0 and index of last character is nothing but its length minus 1. So if I am talking about this welcome word, the E is the last character and E's index should be 6 because its length is 7 and 7 minus 1 is nothing but that is 6. If I will go for karad as a value string, then definitely I can say that here the length is काय असणार आहे 5 कारण 5 कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत. सो मी म्हणलं समजा की इंडेक्स ऑफ फर्स्ट कॅरेक्टर काय असतो 0 म्हणजे के चा इंडेक्स काय असणार आहे 0. सो ए चा काय असणार 1, आर चा किती 2, परत ए चा 3 आणि लास्ट डी चा किती असणार आहे 4. सो इंडेक्स ऑफ लास्ट कॅरेक्टर इज 4 मीन्स व्हॉट लेंथ मायनस 1. 5 मायनस 1 किती 4. ओके फाइन. देन again one thing is that there is one more function that is so I'll give one example of that in detail itself. Okay, see, L is equal to S dot length, so CH is equal to S dot character at. Now what is the meaning of character at? You are asking to get the character of index 2. Excuse, what is that? CH is equal to S dot character at 2. Now what is the meaning of 2? So 2 is the index. Now in this, if I am talking about the karad string, then whose index is 2 here? So index of R character is 2. So if you will pass the index as 2, definitely the character value should be काय असेल R असेल. म्हणजे character at कशासाठी वापरतात? If you are going to access one character from the string and that is of specified position. म्हणजे दोन पोझिशनचं कॅरेक्टर काय असणार आहे R असणार आहे. सो CH should return text value in the form of that is R. If I will go for here 4, मी समजा असं म्हणलं काय character at 4 म्हणलं तर definitely what will be the answer of CH? The answer of CH should be D, that is D character. So in this way you can access the specified character of the given, I can say that index. Fine. In the same way there is one function referred as index of. What is it? Index of. So ICH is equal to index of. Now here opposite of character at. म्हणजे जर मला एखाद्या कॅरेक्टरचा इंडेक्स हवा आहे. नाव हिअर व्हॉट आय डन ओव्हर हिअर कॅरेक्टर ॲट, मी पास काय केला इंडेक्स आणि मला मिळालं काय कॅरेक्टर. नाव हिअर यू आर सपोज टू पास द कॅरेक्टर अँड यू विल गेट द इंडेक्स. अपोजिट प्रोसेस ऑफ कॅरेक्टर ॲट म्हणजेच काय ए कॅरेक्टरचा इंडेक्स कशामधला एस स्ट्रिंगमधला. सो एस स्ट्रिंग कोणते कराड आहे मग त्याचा इंडेक्स ऑफ काय ए कॅरेक्टरचा इंडेक्स काय असणार आहे. मग तुम्ही म्हणाल सर व्हॉट इज द which value should be written. So there are two A's in the karad. So this is first A and this is second A. Now which index will be written? So keep in mind the first character index will be written or I can say that assigned to the ICH. So the index of A should be here 1 because K's index is 0 and then this A's index is 1. So the value of ICH should be 1. Then you have written this karad in small letters. So if you want to convert it into capital letters, there is a function referred as to uppercase. Now US is equal to what is that? S dot to uppercase. This is function. Now keep in mind every function fires with the string name and there is one button a special character referred as, I can say that dot. So it is called as the access specifier. काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला? Access specifier. So what is the meaning of that? So if you want to carry out, if you want to implement any built-in functions to an string, so to a string, then use this particular notation. S is the string name, dot access specifier and its function. So S dot length. So sorry, S dot to uppercase. So the value of S which is in small letters will be converted into uppercase. And the opposite is that if this karad is in capital, suppose me हे karad काय लिहिलं capital मध्ये लिहिलं. So that definitely if you want to convert it into lower case, so LS is equal to S dot to lower case. So these two functions are used to convert values in uppercase as well as in lowercase. So this is the concept of, I can say that, string functions. So let's explain this with the help of demonstration. That is I will execute this code. Just a minute. I will take one Control C, one new program I will take, Control V, and then in that I will go for first is HTML simple code. I want to take head tag and then after that I want to go for script language is equal to JavaScript. Okay and after this I had closed the slash script and then slash head. Okay, fine. Now save this code and assign the strfun dot html. Give the name as you want, but dot html is required. Now okay, no, str function 1 करतो मी, already that code is there with the same name. Okay, now here open that code str function and just run it. Now definitely on the screen you will get sorry, see this screen. On this screen you will get one dialog box asking for the string value. Okay, now see this space, enter the string. If you compare this with help of this code, then you have written this s is equal to prompt, enter the string inside the code. So what is the meaning of prompt? So prompt displays its own dialog box. So enter the string, suppose Karad, I will write in small letters. Okay, Karad, and then click on OK. So you will get this output. Let's I will increase the percentage and see this length is now Karad मध्ये किती characters आहेत total? For 5 characters. So length is 5. The character at index 2 काय होतं रे? R होतं. It is there R because R is the second index. So this R is written. The index of a character is काय होतं बघा 1 येणार, कारण का K म्हणजे 0 आहे आणि A म्हणजे 1 आहे. तुम्हाला मी सांगितलं होतं इंडेक्स ऑफनी पहिलं A कन्सिडर होईल. द स्ट्रिंग इन अप्पर केस स्मॉलमध्ये कॅपिटल टाईप केलं तर मला काय आलं ते कॅपिटलमध्ये आलं, ॲज वेल ॲज द स्ट्रिंग इन लोअर केस काय आलं ते स्मॉलमध्ये आलं. ओके, नाव इफ आय विल चेंज, मी तर म्हणलं समजा तुम्हाला ह्या इंडेक्स ऑफचा अर्थ काय आला, इंडेक्स ऑफ काय होतं आय सी इज इक्वल टू इंडेक्स ऑफ ए. आता मला शेवटचं कॅरेक्टरचा इंडेक्स पाहिजे एचा, ए 2 वेळा आले ना करारमध्ये. सो हिअर आय विल राईट LAST लास्ट कॅपिटल आय इंडेक्स ऑफ, लास्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ ए म्हणजे काय मिळेल मला 2 मिळेल, सॉरी काय मिळेल बघा 3 मिळेल. मी पुन्हा तो कोड रिफ्रेश करतो. आय विल रिफ्रेश दिस कोड अगेन आय विल टाईप द करार. पूर्वी मला एचं इंडेक्स 1 मिळालं होतं, आता मला किती मिळते बघा. सो द इंडेक्स ऑफ ए कॅरेक्टर इज काय आलं 3 आलं, कारण का लास्ट इंडेक्स काय करतं शेवटून येतं मागून. ओके, लास्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ काय करतं शेवटून येतं स्ट्रिंगच्या. म्हणजे कराडचं जर हे स्ट्रिंग असेल तर तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की कराडमध्ये ए 2 वेळा आलेला आहे, बरोबर ना. तर लास्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ काय करेल इकडून सुरुवात करेल लास्टपासून, मग त्याला कुठलं सापडणार ए सापडणार आहे, मग काय करेल तो त्याचा कोड रिटर्न करेल. दॅट्स वाय आय गॉट इंडेक्स ऑफ ए इज लास्ट इंडेक्स की काय मला 3 मिळाला. इफ आय विल गो फॉर ओनली इंडेक्स ऑफ, इथं मी जर समजा फक्त इंडेक्स ऑफ लिहिलं असतं तर डेफिनेटली मी तुम्हाला दाखवलं होतं की इट इज नथिंग बट आय कॅन से दॅट द व्हॅल्यू शुड बी 1. So this is the concept of, I can say that which the prompt function as well as the length function as well as the character at as well as index of. So last index of uppercase and 2 lowercase, these are the some things. If I will change this character at 4, then see what will be the change in the output. Just erase refresh that and just type karad KARAD. Now definitely 4 index कुठला आहे D आहे, तर D character मिळेल मला. So the character at, sorry इथं मी कोडमध्ये चुकलो, कोडमध्ये आतमध्ये मी इथं 4 करायला बघा, वरती 4 केलं ना. सो सेव्ह करा, हा सेव्ह दिस अँड यू कॅन रिफ्रेश इट. काय म्हणलं बघा करार पुन्हा टाका KARAD आणि जस्ट क्लिक ऑन ओके बटन. नाव सी दिस द कॅरेक्टर ॲट इंडेक्स 4 काय असणार आहे D असणार आहे. ओके, इन दिस वे these functions are used. Okay, now again I will take the code control C control V and just see this. Now here I want to go for that parse int parse float. Okay, parse int. Now I am going to assign 2 values a comma b and I want to take addition of that into C. Now s is equal to prompt enter the, I can say that I can say that FIRST first number and इथं a येणार आहे, a is equal to enter first number, इथं second काय येणार आहे shift and sorry just see control C control V. Now here again b is equal to what, enter second number, enter the SECOND second number. Now how to take addition of these twos, बघा मी तुम्हाला इथं ॲडिशन करून दाखवतो. फाईन. Now I had used one more variable C is equal to, now how to take addition a plus b. Okay, and document dot write and काय म्हणायचं मला, the addition is प्लस कशामध्ये ॲडिशन आहे माझी तर C मध्ये आहे. सो यू शुड राईट द C कॅरेक्टर. नाव सेव्ह दिस कोड, सिम्पल कोड आहे, ॲडिशन करतो आपण ॲड डॉट HTML, ॲड 1 करतो मी कारण ऑलरेडी फाईल नाव आहे त्याचं. नाव सी दिस ॲड 1, रन दिस कोड. Now what, see this first prompt, enter the first number, I entered 10. Okay. Now second number I will go for 20. Now what will the expected answer of this? So addition of 10 and 20 will be काय येणार आहे 30 येणार आहे. But on the web page what you will get, see this. Definitely it will show the wrong answer. काय मिळालं मला ॲडिशन म्हणजे काय मिळालं मला बघा. द ॲडिशन इज काय मिळालं 10 20 means what, I entered the first value as 10 and I entered 20 value as a second, and but when I added that two numbers, so I got 10 20, that is joining of two strings. Why? Because prawn function, this function returns value in the form of string back to the program. म्हणजे हे फंक्शन काय करतं रे, प्रॉन फंक्शन स्ट्रिंगमध्ये कन्वर्ट करतं व्हॅल्यू आणि पास करतं. म्हणजे जरी तुम्ही 10 टाईप केलं असेल 10, तरी ते एला असाइन होतं आणि कसं असं होतं डबल कोट 10 असं असाइन होतं. ओके. आणि जरी तुम्ही 20 टाईप केलं असलं तरी डबल कोटमध्ये 20, हा त्याचा स्वतःचा रूल आहे कोणाचा, प्रॉमचा. सो प्रॉन फंक्शन रिटर्न्स व्हॅल्यू back to the program in the form of string. So when these values are written in the form of string, and if you have operating plus sign on the string values, definitely it is going to be concat the two values. Concat means to join. त्यामुळे 10 20 मिळतं. Now you want exact addition. So for that there is one function to convert that PARSE capital INT. So this function is used to convert string value into integer value. So this is the demonstration of pass int over here. म्हणजे मी काय केलं बघा, as we know that a and b's value are string because prawn function returns value in the form of string. Then c is equal to pass int a. What is the meaning of this a? A is nothing but double quote 10, and what is meaning of b? Double quote 20. So simply pass int will convert that 10 value into number and this 20 value into number from string to number, and definitely now you will get the correct addition as 30. Now see this, save this code and again refresh the same code to get that particular values. Now again I will repeat that same values, 10 as the first number and 20 as the second number. Just click on OK button to see the output. So this the addition is now 30. Why it is accurate right now? Because due to this parse int I had converted the values accepted by prompt into, I can say that, integer. So by using parse int. Any doubt? कळलं तुम्हाला? असंच तुम्ही काय करता, पार्स फ्लोट पण करता. पार्स फ्लोट काय करतं, फ्लोटिंग पॉईंटमध्ये कन्वर्ट करतं. नाउ सी दिस अगेन, सी दिस I will refresh this code. See this 10.5 first value and second is 20.1. Now what is the answer of 10.5 and 20.1? just see this 10.5 म्हणजे आणि 20.1 म्हणजे काय येणार आहे सर 30 पॉईंट काय येणार आहे 6. पण 30.6चं कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये झालं, इंटीजर. 30.6 मला इंटीजर कुठला आहे 30 आहे. सो 30 बाहेर काढला. हाच जर मी इथं काय केलं, पार्स फ्लोट केलं तर काय होईल बघा, F capital FLOAT parse float, and here also parse float. Okay, now see this again, save this and again enter the same values, 10.5 first value and second 20.1. now click on OK. You got the correct answer, that is 30.6. this is because of parse float. So parse float converts given value into floating point number, as well as parse int converts given value into integer. So this is all about the concept of whatever functions were discussed in this particular session itself, that is predefined functions, parse int, parse float, alert, prompt, confirm. If you go through the concept of alert, in place of suppose document.writeln, if you write alert here, ALERT, now what will happen, see this, it displays its own dialog box. त्याला जर स्वतःचा डायलॉग बॉक्स मिळेल, दोन्ही डिस्प्लेसाठी वापरतात, पार्स इंट एज वेल एज पार्स फ्लोट. Now what will happen if I will run again, that could add 1. So definitely first value you just enter 10 and second value suppose 2.5. the answer should be displayed inside the, I can say, the dialog box. See, this is the dialog box. So the addition is 12.5. So this is the correct addition and the message, but it is displayed on a dialog box, not on the web page. So this is the exact difference between document.writeln and alert box. Alert box displays the message in its own dialog box, while document.writeln displays the message on the web page. So this is the concept of alert and I can say that document.writeln. Okay, so these are the concepts I had discussed with you with the help of practical session. For today's session I will stop here. you have to we will continue this remaining session in the tomorrow's period itself. Okay, till that, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.